guys, this is going to be a short video of one of my presents that I got for my birthday. I couldn't make a birthday haul because it would turn out way too long, but I'm just going to be showing you one thing. So this is it right here. Getting up. It's this Hello Kitty mini fridge. So it opens like that. And it has all this storage area right here and down there. And then there are these shelves for more things to go in there. And then there's this little kind of freezer compartment. So it's just like this little mini freezer up there. So it's really cute and it matches my room really well. I'll be doing a room tour soon. So it has this cute Hello Kitty on the front, and you can't see it, but on the sides it says Hello Kitty, and it's actually pretty big. I can't really make an approximate estimate. I'd say it's about 1.8 feet by 1.8 feet. So, yeah, that's about how big it is. So, let me get back over here. So yeah, that's my Hello Kitty mini fridge, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!